Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today I'm showing off junk journal number 17 here for me on my channel, and again thank you guys so much for joining me. If you guys are new to my channel, I do appreciate you guys subscribing. I have had a lot of recent subscribers due to my giveaway. So welcome, and thank you guys for joining me. I do appreciate you guys just watching and subscribing. So this is my newest junk journal, and it is going to be on sale in my Etsy store. And I did do a lot of I did do a lot of sewing, and you guys can watch my video on the different little elements that I used for this junk journal. Here's a little pocket that I made. Boo boo, I'm filming a video. Little pocket made that I embellished with some beautiful lace. Every page of this journal is decorated with something. I can't have blank pages in my journals. I don't know why. It really bothers me. So I really put in a lot of extra work to make sure that there's something pretty to look at on each page. So that takes a lot of time. Here's some little inserts from my shop. And if you guys are interested in how I make these little collages, I use the die cut mystery boxes from my shop. If you guys are interested, they are up for sale in limited quantities right now. I'm trying to get some more done. But for now, there are some up for sale. This is a really pretty guest check that I altered. That was a fun project. I'll probably do more of those. I only did a couple. And I did a lot of collaging and did a lot of sewing. I'm having a lot of fun. Hey! Sorry, my cat is smelling the paper plate I had my chicken tacos on. So I went through this whole ordeal with Brother because my sewing machine, I don't know what's wrong with it, but I feel like it's the same mistake, the same problem I had with my last sewing machine from them. I've returned it already twice. So, I don't know. I went ahead and I got the new one, the new Project Runway sewing machine with the gold, goldish silver, I think it is, face front. It's okay. I don't know if I'm using it wrong, or I don't know if it's the machines that keep having problems. I don't know. I'm a newbie, so maybe it is me. But, like I said, I had to get a new one. So I'm getting used to that one. But I did get it because, like, I already have all the bobbins, you know, and all the accessories for this sewing machine. So I didn't really want to have to go get a different kind of sewing machine. I have to get all sorts of different accessories for it. But if this one doesn't work out, I'm going to get a different brand. I'll just have to venture out. So, yeah. I haven't done a review. I don't do reviews very fast. And sometimes I end up returning the item or switching it out before I even get to review the item. Because I like to have the item for at least 6 months to a year before I even review it. I also got a new printer. I've been through 2 printers since, this is my second printer since my printer review video. So I'll have to do a review on this one because this one's kind of my favorite. I got the ET2750. And I don't know, Office Max's warranties are great. Like, I just, every 6 months or 8 months, I return the printer and I get a new one, and I just have to buy a $50 warranty for it. And I get a whole new printer every year. So I don't know what the problem is with Brother not being able to exchange this sewing machine. I don't know. They said it was user error, like I went into the machine and did stuff, but I didn't. So I don't even know what to say about that. So that's my whole ordeal this week that I've been dealing with. So, like I said, I just went out and bought another sewing machine because I just can't. I had to get to work. Like I said this week, so my printer went out and then my sewing machine was out, and I was like, like, you know, you guys are like cutting off 2 arms here. Like, I need one or the other. Like, I can't not have a printer, and I cannot not have a sewing machine anymore now. I feel like I have to have a sewing machine to make my junk journals like really pop. I have to put something in there. But I'm glad I got it resolved, even though I had to buy a new sewing machine. I guess that's my birthday present to myself. My birthday is next week. I am so excited. I am turning 30 years old, you guys. I am turning 30 years old, that's right. So I'll probably be doing a giveaway next week. So please stay tuned for that. And it'll probably be a really simple giveaway. I'll probably give away one of my die cut box mystery boxes just to make it fun so you guys can make your little collages too. And here's a beautiful tag. I think this is like the prettiest tag ever. I don't know why. It's just so beautiful. Okay. Here we go. Here's the postcard that I got from MAC at one of their past. It's been a while since this collection was out. At least, like, I don't know, 6. Well, I was 22, so at least 8 years I've had that. And here is a little picture in here. And I just had so much fun, you guys, with these cutouts and using different little ephemera pieces and different pieces from my kit. This is from the Life of Bloom, and then those are the flowers from the die cut set. I also have these flowers available as a download, and you can cut them out yourself if that's what you want to do. That's also available. So yeah, that is my journal number 17, and it's signed. And like I said, this will be up on my Etsy shop. And I thank you guys so much for your support and for watching and subscribing and for commenting on my videos. It means the world to me, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you guys so much. And of course, subscribe at the next 1,000 subscribers, which I think, yeah, I'm hitting 5,000 subscribers next. I'll give away another junk journal and possibly another die cut mystery box. So join me next week for my birthday video. Like I said, I'll definitely do a giveaway for that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys so much for checking out my shop. I appreciate it all. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.